In 7 days, you can feel more energized, less bloated, and sleep better. Here's how. You don't need a costly detox or supplements. A focused 7-day reset to remove drains and restore balance is key. This is about direction, not perfection. You'll gain a clear framework to feel like yourself again. The science behind the reset. Your body needs a reset due to daily exposure to inflammatory foods, toxins, and stress. Over time, these factors accumulate. Symptoms like brain fog, fatigue, cravings, and digestive discomfort emerge. A 7-day reset removes triggers and restores balance. Let's break it down. Day 1. Eliminate the noise. Day 1 is all about subtraction. Eliminate ultra-processed foods, alcohol, sugar, and refined carbs from your environment. If they're absent, they won't tempt you. Start with lemon water to aid digestion and support liver function. Avoid your phone for 30 minutes in the morning for a calm start. Subtraction is vital. Day 2. Rebuild your gut. Your gut affects digestion, immunity, mood, energy, and hormones. On day 2, add fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi. Include prebiotic fiber from garlic, onions, and bananas. Cut out artificial sweeteners as they disrupt gut bacteria. Caring for your gut is crucial. Day 3. Hydrate at a cellular level. Many are unknowingly dehydrated, feeling fatigue and cravings. On day 3, drink 2 to 3 liters of water. Add a pinch of salt and lemon for better absorption. Reduce caffeine, especially post-noon. Intentional hydration boosts energy. Day 4. Move your lymphatic system. Move to support your lymphatic system, which relies on movement. Walk, stretch, or try rebounding for 30 minutes. Dry brushing before a shower activates lymphatic drainage. Movement helps flush out waste. Day 5. Regulate your nervous system. On day 5, tackle stress. Chronic stress can inhibit digestion and healing. Try 10 minutes of box breathing to activate relaxation. Spend time in natural light and reduce screens after 8 p.m. Day 6. Prioritize deep sleep. Deep sleep is where the reset occurs. It flushes metabolic waste and repairs muscles. On day 6, create a cool, dark room and avoid food 2 hours before bed. Limit screens before sleep. Sleep is vital. Day 7. Integrate and sustain. Day 7 isn't an end, it's a foundation. Review the changes from the week that made a difference and use them as anchors. Continually support your body for a healthier life. Closing. 7 days of smart choices can transform health without gimmicks. Remove harm, add healing, and thrive. Share with someone needing a reset. Are you ready? Start today.